Hello and welcome to this new episode of CIO Leadership Live in Middle East. And today we are traveling to Turkey to meet Fusum Borluk, Group Head of Project Management Office, Robotic Process Automation, and IT Quality at AGESA. Hello, Fusum. How are
Hi,
you? Very
hi,
nice to meet
Andrea.
you.
Nice to meet you as well. Thank you very much for your invitation.
Thank you so much for your time. As I was saying, you are Group Head of Project Management Office, RPA, and IT Quality at AGESA. But we would like to know more about this company and what services do you offer?
Okay, sure, with pleasure. Agesa is an insurance company and it offers innovative products in the fields of private pension, life insurance, and personal accident insurance. And we have 2.5 million customers and 1,500 employees at the moment. And it's one of the industry leader among private companies in fund size with 20% market share in private pension fund. For the insurance companies, fund rate is very important. So fund size makes us one of the leader companies in the industry.
What do you do in your role, Fusim? As as we mentioned, sometimes we are interviewing. This is CIO Leadership Live. It's focused on CIOs, IT decision maker, which you are also an IT decision maker. But
Yes.
we would like to know more about your role, Group Head of Project Management Office for RPA and IT Quality. So, how do you support your business in your role?
Well, in fact, I would like to start with project management. In project management, we are managing both waterfall and agile projects with project managers and agile leaders, agile masters, and agile coaches. And nearly 50 projects are at the same time running at the moment. And of course, they are always related with IT and some products, and of course with the software projects, IT projects, I mean. Also we have some infrastructure projects as well. I'm not counting them in the number of the projects going on because it's kind of a daily business, the infrastructure improvement and etc. My another function is, as you mentioned, robotic process automation. It is very trendy, and we decided to use robotic process automation in our company. And we have an in-house solution in the company, which makes us have the cost control in our site. And we have 51 process automated with a gain of 43 FTEs. And this is another head. And another function is IT quality assurance. In fact, we have, as every software company, being the IT division, we are running a software development life cycle, and in this life cycle, there is the quality assurance phase. So we are making tests and etc. Those people are providing the IT quality assurance. They are assuring the quality, and those are in my division, in my group. Therefore, this is IT quality. In terms of projects, if the product is, uh, resulted with what it is wanted, what is aimed, and so on. We are the assurers of the results of the
Yeah.
projects.
Fusun, RPA is one of the newest trends for companies, as you mentioned. How do you support the IT team and the CIO?
Mhm. Well, we automate processes with repetitive tasks as well as augment and human capacity. We use AI with RPA also. Therefore, bots can be configured and trained to handle a wide range of cognitive activities and to make decisions. What we are doing is cost reduction, reduced cycle time, new business opportunities for sure, and easier compliance, because compliance is very important in insurance sector. Reduce errors, operation efficiency, customer and employee satisfaction. In which processes we are using RPA. Let's think about it: underwriting, claims, data analytics, blacklist management, collecting customer data, intelligent document processing, call center support, dispatching support tasks or mails are the processes that we are using in RPA.
You mentioned reducing costs. Of course, RPA help the project management activities, reducing not only costs, time,
Mhm.
increasing efficiency, but it is considered a threat or an opportunity for the project management.
Very nice question. Everyone asks me such kind of questions. You are dealing with RPA and you are dealing with project management. Is it a threat or an opportunity? Well, in fact, RPA helps a lot of PM activities for reducing time and cost. However, we cannot totally replace project management activities with RPA because project management is about change, human communication, leadership. With RPA, project managers can focus on the human aspects of cooperation. Therefore, it's
Mhm.
a contribution, not a threat, but an opportunity, as we can call. Some of the examples that we can use in project management that to track project and team progress by the help of integration with other tools and databases, because we always have separate tools for tracking the progress or tracking the time and efforts, but we can make it with RPA, with the integration, speed up project delivery with automated tasks like creating status reports and etc. just by taking the data from the other tools. At the moment, before RPA, all of those progress reports, status reports, risk reports are created by by project managers. But if we have a central database, it can be produced very easily, very speedy. Therefore, we can use a project delivery tracking, set up automated workflows like approvals, and leverage improved project analytics, because after the projects, we are always archiving what we have learned, what we have went through. Therefore, RPA can do it instead of us, ensuring transparency with reports, as I told, data collection and notifications, and some resource management in terms of planning and capacity modeling, because we always have a clear capacity, which means that RPA can make the modeling in terms of resource management and, of course, speed up processes.
Fuson, insurance companies used to be very traditional companies, sometimes even family in the way they were working. So, how AGESA has adapted to meet the needs of its customers?
Yes, in fact, I guess is not that much traditional, although it has a very long history. Digitalization, modernization is very important for us. And we are attending InsurTechs, which is some of the startups in terms of insurance companies. We are always supporting startups and we are attending an InsurTech in one of the very well-known university. And we are using data analytics because data is the new oil, petrol, and therefore data is very important. Data analytics and working with big data is very, very important. So we are working on it. And customer journey is very important because we know that not only the product is important, the journey from the beginning till the end, like a life cycle, it is very important. We are focusing on customer journey. And also, as you see, we are following the trends like robots, and not only robots, with AI, using AI with robots. And also, we are using cloud computing because it's another trend at the moment, which makes technological improvements.
What do you think in terms of technology, traditional companies should learn from those that are merely digital?
Oh, well, in terms of traditional companies, they need to change, because change is the only thing that is not changing. Therefore, what is change? Digitalization is very important. Technology is very important, and they need to use technology as much as possible. It is not manual anymore, and the customers always want accuracy, speed, and satisfaction. Therefore, the traditional companies must look at the digitalization, because digitalization can give us the speed, the accuracy, error-free, and speed processes.
And good you mentioned digital transformation and technology, because of all the technological trends that are currently on the horizon, 5G, cloud, AI, blockchain, which one will be truly disruptive in the coming years for your company and in the insurance sector?
Robots, and of course with AI. Artificial intelligence is inevitable at the moment, and cloud computing, of course. But the first thing that I should mention is data analytics, big data, because everything is on data. So therefore, the data is on the horizon, but the others are following very closely to it.
And now we talk about the past, when insurance was really a traditional sector. We talk about the investments you are doing, but let's talk about the future. Where is the company going to invest? How do you see the rest of the companies in the sector, and how do you see, or what do you think is going to happen in the short term for the insurance sector?
Well, in fact, what we are providing from insurance companies, if we look at the functions, it provides reliability, it provides protection, and legal requirements, capital formations, and of course risk. I may call this as the risk management for private and corporates. Therefore, it is very, very important, because risk is the thing that didn't happen yet, but it may happen. We need to be very prepared for the risk, for the things that haven't happened yet, but it may happen. Therefore, the insurance sector is very important. I don't see that we will get rid of insurance sector anymore. No way. And of course, if the insurance companies wants to be very successful, they need to be very close to technology. And the technology using the IoT, Internet of Things, and using most of the processes to be automated, and cloud computing, and etc. It will really, really important for an insurance company, because it is not something, some function that we will get rid of in the short term. That's things that I can say are the summary for me.
No, I completely agree, but you are the expert, Fosun. Thank you so much for joining us today at CIO Leadership Live Middle East. It's been a pleasure to have you, and I hope we can discover more about what the company is doing in the future. Thank you so much, Fosun.
Thank you. It's my pleasure, Andrea. Thank you.